Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 INFINITI QX55 Sensory, but this one is a very cool spec. This one's graphite shadow over Monaco red. This is my first time ever seeing the red interior on the 55, and it looks gorgeous. Sticker price of $59,225. There we go. Awesome. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Monaco red is killer. That looks awesome. Such a gorgeous car. I just stepped out of a QX50. So it's kind of cool to see how different these drive. I had heard the QX55 is sportier. It's like, yeah, okay, that's a lot of marketing speak. Like, yeah, it looks sportier, so it is sportier. So I didn't believe it. Now I do. After driving them back to back, I get it. Not only do they pump in more engine sound, so it sounds a little bit louder. The suspension tuning is definitely a bit sportier. Steering input, definitely a bit more precise. No, I believe it. They're correct. 55 is sportier, and not just in appearance. This one's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, variable compression, varies from 8:1 to 14:1. Any compression ratio in between there can be used. It's completely variable. Such a cool idea. And actually pretty reliable from what I'm hearing. We have some of these with like 60,000, well, QX50s, with like 60,000 miles, and they haven't had any issues. It's pretty cool. Good to know that Nissan/Infiniti, because they obviously co-developed this engine, it's good to know they put a lot of testing into it to make sure it's reliable. It's all fun and games to sit there and put out brand new technologies, but it's a whole different thing to bring out technologies that won't break in 2-3 years' time. Especially when you start playing with engine. You know, compression ratios, that never changed. Now it does. That's awesome. Oh man, this 2-liter is a good motor. Man, it's just amazing how much sportier this feels. I'm not just saying that because I work here, but no, you can definitely tell the difference. Honestly, I filmed these videos because I wanted to see if there was a difference or if it was just marketing. There is. slow down to 60, do a kickdown test. Oh yeah, it's good. What's amazing too is you can actually hear the turbo nice and loud in this one. That is pretty cool. I don't remember that in the 50 I just drove. All I can hear is turbo whistle. Where is it? There you go. Variable compression turbo gauge. Oh man. Yeah, they did a good job with this. That they did. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.